Good morning, teacher, and other spectators of my video. Today I will talk about my experience of my trip to Mexico, and I will give some recommendations to keep in mind when going to Mexico. Are you ready? We go. Tips for traveling to Mexico. Stage 1. If you want to travel to these destinations, follow the recommendations. My experience. In July of last year, I traveled to Mexico City and it was a wonderful experience. We spent 8 days there with my husband, my daughter, and my brothers. It was amazing to know another cultures. We made Mexican friends. Every day we visited a spectacular place with ate delicious. We had a lot of fun and we returned with a truck of unforgettable memories that are definitely worth repeating. Stay tuned. Recommendations acerca de lo que puedes hacer. 1. You must make sure to take your passport everywhere. 2. Relax and enjoy everything that awaits you. 3. Wear comfortable clothes and shows you're going to talk a lot. Tourists and eat. 4. Take a tour of the city on the bus. Eat tacos, they are delicious. 6. Visit the hundreds of museums and galleries in the city. Learn from Mexican history and culture. 7. Visit the pyramids de Teotihuacan. 8. Buy crafts. Stage 3. When you should do not, pardon, what you should not do. Never choose strangers. Take care of your belongings. Do not eat too spicy. You could indigester. Do not visit unsafe places. Do not go to parties alone. Do not get up early. In Mexico downs later. Enjoy life is yours. One. Thank you. Bye.